Is it
It's turning red and pink.
red and pink?
Yeah.
Okay, stir it really good.
Here?
1, 2, okay, one more drop. Okay,
That's enough.
okay. Get the other spoon. Yeah. Okay, stir that one up.
Wow. That's a big knife.
That's a big knife.
Butter knife.
Now, what color are you making? What color is this?
It's green, but no, it's like turquoise, I guess.
That one. That looks like pumpkin orange.
Okay.
Yeah, roll it nice and hard. Perfect.
It looks like it's the board.
Mine is a human.
Yours is a human.
But how do we like just take it out?
Wow. And it's liking this. There we go. The gym juice right now. I don't want to pick it up. When you
How do you pick it up?
Just like that. You're doing good.
It's gonna like.
What?
It's broken.
You're a broken man, a broken human being.
Oh. Well, I want to pat this.
Okay.
So it's gonna be nice and flat. It sticks.
Like, do you post this?
Just to your mom. Let's see how fancy you can get.
Dripping.
Okay.
We're painting this.
I don't know.
Did you want to taste it then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's getting pink on me.
Oh.
What do you mean pink? There's no pink on there.
She said paint.
Oh, but it's not paint. It's frost.
Do you want it to dry first and then you can eat it later?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want it to dry.
What do you think?
It's yummy.
You like it with the frosting?
Okay, there we go. I made a smiley face.
I need some orange for this smiley face.
You're going to use orange for a smiley face?
Yes. And some eyes. Smiley face.
I'm trying to add eyelashes.
There.
Not technically.
There. And
It's
purple
uneven.
for the eyes. Ah!
It's uneven. Okay.
There.
What are you doing?
Making a heart rainbow.
A heart rainbow.
No, let's go find mine after.
And maybe I want some pink. Pink on
All done?
now.
you a messy girl? Hmm?
Yeah.
Say bye. Carly. Bye.
Hi. I'm Pinky.
You're a very good painter. And of course, your favorite color, right?
Purple.
Purple, of course.
And pink.
And pink?
And this pink or this pink?
That's orange.
This is orange.
Mm-hmm.
This is pink.